ChatGPT has a big privacy problem. We knew about that. Italy's recent ban on OpenAI's generative text tool may just be the beginning of their problems. Well, Italy comes out and says, nah, no good. Leaky, leaky, leaky. Samsung comes out and says, leaky, leaky. We had our employees put something in there, and all of a sudden it's completely exposed. And a couple of other countries go, hey, Italy, what exactly did you find in your deal there? Because maybe we're going to ban too. And as it turns out, everybody's constantly training everything, and nothing you're doing is really all that private. GPT-3 offered a glimpse into the data used to train the large language model, millions of pages scraped from the web, Reddit posts, books, and more used to create the generative text system. Now you got all these inputs straight into it. March 31st, Italy's data regulator issued a temporary emergency decision demanding OpenAI stop using the personal information of millions of Italians. It was the first taken by a Western regulator against ChatGPT. However, now you have France, Germany, Ireland all contacting in order to determine how they're going to feel about it, or what they might do about it, or if they want to pause it, suspend it, or something along those lines. Fearing its future implications, the Italian decision highlights more immediate concerns. Essentially, we're seeing that AI development to date could potentially have a massive shortcoming. Massive privacy shortcoming.
Yeah. This was more of like a personal article, but it kind of leads to the next story here.
Italy's ChatGPT ban kickstarts surge of VPN down. Well, that's like anything.
People just want to use ChatGPT.
It's like
There's
anything.
high demand on it.
You tell them that they can't use it, and what are they going to do? Yeah. Use it. You can't use it. It's banned. Yeah. Think about, I think I'm going to use it. Of course, Pure VPN has seen an unusual spike of traffic in Italy since April 1st. It's still going to be smaller. Like the number of people willing to go through this avenue is going to be less, but certainly where there's a will, there's a way. That seems to be the case. Even if you're in China, I mean, the VPNs, everything's going on over there. You know this, Will.
Yeah.
So people go on, they click the VPN, they go back to their GPTs, and they call it a day, right? All right.
It's like almost double
the VPN usage.
Yeah,
and that's only just one VPN looking at their data.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's probably significant, but not as significant as just open web usage.
If you build it, they will come.
What's that, Will?
If you build it, they will.